Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to check if your iPhone is real. Now let's get started. First of all, we need to go to our settings, scroll down and find General, and tap on it. Then at the top we see About, and we need to tap on it too. Now we can see all information about our iPhone, but we need to find serial number and tap on it and hold. And then appears option copy and we need to tap on it. Then we need to go back to our main screen and go to our Safari or other browser. Now we should tap on search bar Apple serial number check. And do a research. Then we should find site which is called checkcoverage.apple.com. Usually it is the first site, but you should be careful and check the URL of the link, and only then visit it. Then we need to scroll down and fill our serial number. And then write the code. If you don't see the code, you can refresh it. And tap continue. And in appearing page you can see what model of iPhone you have and other important information. That's all. It was how to check your iPhone is real or not. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.